Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Okay students, let us go to the problems regarding to the continuous random variable. Okay, if random variable has the probability density f of x is equal to 2 into e power of minus 2x for x greater than 0 and 0 for x less than or equal to 0, then find the probabilities that it will take on a value between 1 and 3. Okay, between 1 and 3 means interval within 1 and 3, and a greater than 0.5 means we have to find the probability whenever x belongs to the greater than 0.5 to infinity. Okay, we have to find out both of the probabilities for both of these intervals. Okay, now let us do first problem. Between 1 and 3, within this interval 1 to 3 interval. Okay, now probability between 1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 is defined as integral within limits a to b, means 1 to 3 f of x dx. Okay, clearly x belongs to 1 to 3, x is in v3. Okay, therefore x must be greater than 0, x never be less than or equal to 0, x is greater than 0, but whenever x is greater than 0, f of x is defined as 2 into e power of minus 2x. Therefore integral within limits 1 to 3 f of x means 2 into e power of minus 2x when x is greater than 0 dx. Okay, find the integration of this function. 2 is constant, 2 into integral value of e power of minus 2x, integral value of e power of integration of e power of x dx is e power of ax by a. Okay, by this formula we have 2 into e power of minus 2x by minus 2. We have to apply limits, upper limit, lower limit and upper limit. Here minus 2 is also constant, 2 by minus 2 into e power of minus 2x 1 2 3. Now minus 1 into e power of minus 2x, minus 2 into replace x with 3, upper limit, minus 6, minus e power of minus 2 into lower limit, minus 2 into 1, e power of minus 2. Therefore multiply these two terms with minus by minus, that is minus into minus plus e power of minus 2 minus e power of minus 6. Okay, e power of minus 2 minus e power of minus 6, this value is 0.133. Okay, you can find this value in the scientific calculator, the value of e power of minus 2 and the value of e power of minus 6. On solving it we get 0.133. Okay, the second one, greater than 0.5, x is greater than 0.5 and 0.5 to infinity, up to infinity. We have to find out the area within these limits. Okay, probability whenever 0.5 is less than x less than infinity. is equal to integral within limit 0.5 to infinity f of x dx. Okay, here also x belongs to 0.5 and infinity. X is greater than 0.5 means greater than 0, means greater than 0. X is greater than 0, but whenever x is greater than 0, f of x is defined as 2 into e power of minus 2x. Therefore here also we will use f of x as e power of 2 into e power of minus 2x dx. Here also 2 is constant, and now integration of e power of minus 2x is e power of minus 2x by minus 2. We have to apply the limit 0.5 and infinity. Okay, now minus 1 e power of minus 2 into infinity, e power of infinity minus e power of minus 2 into 0.5. 2 into 0.5 is 1, e power of minus y. Multiply these two terms with 1, minus 1, minus to minus plus, e power of minus 1 minus e power of minus infinity. You know, e power of minus infinity means 1 by e power of infinity. 1 by e power of infinity is 1 by e infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. This value is 0. E power of minus infinity, this value is always 0. E power of minus infinity is equal to 0. Remember this point. Okay, now therefore we have 1 by e inverse or 1 by e, anyone. Okay, its value is, check this value, (368). Okay.